Oh, did you feel that? That was beautiful. Thank you for sharing with me. Hopefully have a good day. Please come and see Phil and I. We're over here. We're mucking around with plants. We're painting pots and we're giving plants out for the community so we can enjoy, eat and share. Thank you very much. Have a good day.